In today's video, I'm going to take some pictures of Milky Way galaxy. Just to let you know, for Milky Way galaxy photographs, you need to have some settings on your camera. So I will quickly show you what settings you need to do to get the best Milky Way galaxy photographs. So this is the lens I'm using on my camera, and this is Sony FE 2.8 24 to 70 GM lens. So the aperture has to be as minimum as you can have to get the best photograph. So as you can see, this is shutter speed. You can adjust it to 30 seconds, or you can make it bulb. So what bulb mean is that when you press this button, then you can decide for yourself that how many seconds you want to leave the shutter speed on. So when I press this, you can leave this button pressed for 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 20 seconds. It's up to you. So bulb mode, that you can decide for yourself how many seconds the shutter you want to leave it open, or you can adjust it to 25 seconds, 20 seconds or less. ISO, you can adjust it to 3200. 3200 is the ideal setting for taking Milky Way photographs. So when I press this button on right, as you can see ISO written here. So when I press this, the ISO settings coming over here on this screen, and then I can adjust the ISO setting. So this is how I adjust my camera onto the tripod, as you can see. And the sky is right now, it's bright at the moment, but last night I adjusted this camera onto this table when it was really dark and open sky. At the moment it's cloudy. You need to make sure that sky is really clear and there is no moon in the sky, and it has to be really dark to get the best picture of the Milky Way galaxy. So as you can see, the setting is on bulb mode f2.8 and ISO is 3200. This is the setting you need to do for your Milky Way galaxy photograph. So we are going outside right now. So here are some of the Milky Way photographs I've taken last night from my Sony A7C camera. So you can see, guys, such a beautiful photo of the Milky Way galaxy from my backyard. So I hope you will like those photos, and I hope you can be able to take similar photos from your DSLR camera or digital camera, and it's not that hard at all. It's super easy.